This is a finished comic page. Panels, balloons, lettering, bleed and trim, made entirely in one application. The application is Sloom Studio. It used to be called Signal Loom. A professional creative suite for people who make real things. Comics, books, zines, films, and want to own their tools. Sloom Studio is built on a simple idea. Your tools should belong to you. Buy it once. No subscription, no account, no server sitting between you and your work. Local first means your projects are files on your machine. Nothing phones home. It is a public beta from a solo studio. Shipping steadily. Updated free through the beta. Everything is held together by one project document, a single .sloom file that all 4 workspaces share. At its center sits the source library, every asset you make or import in one shared pool. Paper lays out what image paints, video cuts what flow produces. Nothing is ever re-imported. Make it once. Use it everywhere. Start with paper. Desktop publishing. Built for comics and books. This is real print geometry. Bleed, cut, and gutter guides, comic page presets, margins, columns, and a baseline grid. That warnings counter up top is pre-flight, watching the document the whole time you work. Here is a page going together for real. Rule the panels first. The frames start empty. Select a frame, click a source, and the art places itself. Or drag it straight on. The gutter knife cuts one panel into 2, along a constant gutter. Then sculpt the vertices. Rake the gutter diagonal, and the neighbouring frame matches, reclipping its art. Lettering is native. Speech bubbles with draggable tails. And when the same character speaks twice, a bridge joins the balloons. Sound effects get their own designer. Skew, rotation, tracking, trailing copies. Stroke and shadow measured in millimeters. Under the comic tool sits a real typesetting engine. Text threads across frames, wraps around shapes, and hyphenates properly. Drop caps up to 8 lines deep. True small caps. Old style, lining, and tabular figures. Paragraph, character, and object styles keep a whole book consistent. And it typesets Japanese as carefully as English. Vertical writing, furigana. Emphasis dots. Kinsoku line breaking, Teitechu Yoko. Right to left binding is a document setting, not a workaround. This spread is the same book set in both languages from one project. Parent pages carry the running furniture. Inherited items render locked and export with every page. And you can place a PDF or a document straight onto a page. Print production is honest about what it does. Output intent, ink limits, black handling, spot colours, overprint preview, with pre-flight keeping score. In this beautiful descent, everything about is done. Shipping today, KDP ready PDF, press ready PDF with bleed and trim, conformant PDF/X, Adobe IDML export, CBZ, and webtoon strips. The ProPrint exports are the paid unlock, and everything that lands across the 09 beta is included with the license. Case file 2033, 24 pages, made start to finish in Sloom Studio. Written, painted, lettered, laid out, and exported. One person, one tool. And because the application speaks both languages, the same book ships in English and in Japanese. The image workspace is a full layered editor and a serious painting surface. "26 tools, selections, paint, retouch, vector and type." The brush engine is parametric. Size, opacity, hardness, flow, spacing and more. Per brush. Pressure drives size and flow. Tilt the pen and it shades like the flat of a pencil. Symmetry paints in 4 modes. Hold shift and the line rules dead straight. Still pressure live. All of it runs on a GPU engine with S Pen and Wacom native. Layers behave the way professionals expect. 16 blend modes, groups, locks, and non-destructive adjustments. Masks get a full toolkit. From selection, reveal, hide, invert, apply, with density and feather. PSD goes in and PSD comes out. And when you want it, a fill layer can repaint a masked region through your own account, sitting in the stack like any other layer. Pages round trip. Open a placed panel from paper, retouch it, and save straight back. Placed art keeps a source link. Reveal it in the library or update the layer when the source changes. Even Liquify is honest. Anything it doesn't support yet, the panel says so out loud. Video is a multitrack timeline with dual monitors. Source on the left, program on the right. Clips keyframe directly. Transform, opacity, crop. Export runs through presets with diagnostics that flag problems before you render. Subtitles export alongside as SRT or VTT. Here is a cut coming together. A clip on V1, a second on V2. The crossfade is 2 opacity keyframes. The line is the fade. A score lands on the audio lane. Scale keyframes animate the push-in. Scrub it, and the program monitor plays exactly what the keys say. The fourth workspace is Flow. It is optional. Everything you have seen so far works without it. It is also the most powerful thing in the suite. Flow is a node canvas that automates production pipelines. On your own accounts, with your own keys. This page is half made already. Character sheets and the prop wired into every panel as references. The last panel takes all 3 sheets. The previous panel for continuity, and the price sits on the node before you press it. Run it, and the finished panel flows through the envelope into the source library, visible to paper, image, and video instantly. Each node talks to whichever provider you point it at: Gemini, OpenAI, Atlas Cloud, Black Forest Labs, and more. Or a model you host yourself. Keys are encrypted at rest on your machine. Generators take reference images, style, character, composition. As many slots as the model supports. Then, the graph checks its own work. Vision. Verify asks a vision model, does the output match the reference? True passes downstream. False blocks the branch and routes to a fix. Automated QA, inside the graph. And portals carry a connection clear across the canvas, without dragging one long wire. And it scales to real production. This is one comic page, a pipeline per panel, references wired into every one. Collapse any selection into a reusable function. Bookmarks jump you straight to any node. The toolbox runs deep, logic, loops, scripting, lists, story tools, monitors. 60 node types, 10 categories. Powerful when you want it, invisible when you don't. One more thing Paper hinted at. The entire application speaks Japanese. First run asks for your language. Every workspace, every panel, every node answers. And you can mix freely. A Japanese interface on an English document, or the other way around. Sloom Studio ships on Windows and Linux today. The macOS beta is unsigned for now. Right-click to open, and it runs. Android is rolling out through the stores, and the APK is available now. The Android app can even serve the browser edition itself, and the same license covers it. Settings stay yours too. Keyboard shortcuts, gamepad bindings, and your keys. Encrypted on device.
Silent stories fall in my veins.
The price is simple. The Community Edition is free for personal and non-commercial work. All 4 workspaces, no watermarks. One payment unlocks the professional print exports. $17.99 at launch for the first 100 licenses. After the launch window, it becomes $39. Still one payment, still yours. And every Pro export that ships across the 09 beta is included. One key, desktop and Android. Four workspaces, one project file, one shared library. Your comic, your book, your film made on your machine. Sloom Studio, the creative suite you own.